Power of cheap transactions. Can Solana's growth outpace Ethereum? Solana has grown nearly 13,000% year to date. While adoption has been increasing, there may be more to it than meets the eye. Look at this. These look like Tron cycles. The irony, am I right?
It is.
Top cryptos by market cap kept changing over time as the industry matures. Solana is a blockchain. You guys can see the price chart there. Solana is a blockchain platform that aims to achieve high transaction speeds at a low cost without sacrificing decentralization. To do so, it relies on a unique number of features, including proof of history mechanism, to allow Solana to process an estimated 50,000 transactions per second, compared to Bitcoin's 7 and Ethereum's 15. Solana Network supports smart contracts, DeFi apps. I found a home there. Now worth $15 billion, according to DeFi Llama. I would never defy a llama. Why would you do that? Growing, they'll spit on you. You know, you want to get somebody that'll spit on Chris. Let me tell you, a llama will do it. Growing demand for DeFi apps and NFTs on Ethereum led to exploding gas fees, which made it expensive to use ETH. Transacting on Solana is inexpensive, and transactions are processed in no time, making it an attractive alternative for retail investors. Is Solana a threat to Ethereum? Speaking to Cointellai, Adrian Collodi, founder of Domination Finance, said Ethereum would have to totally bottle their promises for Ethereum 2.0 over the coming years for Solana to overtake it. And even if that happens, it is still very unlikely. And I would agree with that 1,000%. I mean, that's how I feel. For Ethereum to fumble the bag here, they're going to have to fumble the bag. You know, like Ethereum is going to have to really botch up the launch of 2.0. Like, I don't know, maybe like there is, rolling, or maybe they're rolling back transactions, or nodes are getting hacked or something. There's got to be something really bad to happen. Gas fees somehow go up to like $12,000. Like, it would have to be something of that proportion for Ethereum to lose its lead here. But having said that, Ethereum just can't compete with the speed of transactions on Solana, which developers may increasingly look at. We do know Solana had a 17-hour outage that kind of hurt their momentum there for a little bit. People have tried to attack Ethereum for a long time, haven't really done it. But anyways, long and the short of it is, and they do have Reddit and Brave, which are working with Solana. Brave onboarding millions of users onto the Solana ecosystem because they realize it has the potential to help cryptos achieve mass adoption. Now, this is a point I did want to bring up, by the way, which didn't get to make because I was gone last week on the day that the news of Brave and, Solana launch it. Well, maybe we talked about it on the live stream, but, it's brought to my attention, who has their hooks into Brave browser? DCG, Digital Currency Group. They just had a big funding round where they raised a bunch of money for Brave, which is basically Basic Attention Token. That's the token of the Brave browser. So we got to start asking the question here. Maybe Brave browser is not as decentralized as we're being told that it is. Just something to think about for you guys that are BAT fans and are fans of decentralization. One of the hallmarks of the Digital Currency Group is to sell you something as honest that really has a lot of stuff on the back end that you don't want. So just throwing that out there. We've always supported Brave and BAT. We think they're good for the space, but maybe they're not. I mean, just trying to show you both sides of the argument here. There is some stuff. The more money that gets raised by the Digital Currency Group for Basic Attention Token and for Brave browser, the more you have to kind of think, not be crazy, but the more you have to think about really what could be going on there.